Just got back with my boy Emilio and Daniel. Got us some Baconator fries. With literally just like a slice of cheese that you put on a patty on top of fries with bacon.
Gross.
So let's do this. Get a little bit of everything. Cheese. Alright. Maybe use a little more cheese though. Just how goopy that is. It's straight
Goop.
goop. You know, we're not here for looks. We're here for taste. And you know what? Taste is solid enough. It's a good Wendy's fries. With some pretty decent cheese, and the bacon just at least puts it all together. So I'm definitely going to give us a favorable review. Set that down for a sec. Got ourselves here a little of Holland's Best. A Heineken. Heineken's probably one of the best non-German beers out there, literally. Has a nice, pretty crisp taste. Not too American, but very distinct. Have a good one.
2 out of 10. What would you rate it?
This, I'll give it a, say, 7.5, or scratch that, 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10, right?
Alright, and this boy right here, we're gonna do a, say, 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.